Underground drain cleaning, French drains, downspout drains, channel drains, open French drains. Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. You know, we talk a lot about cleaning drains. In fact, I think we're the only company that shows you how to clean any of these drains. And maybe that's because the other companies, they don't want to do it, or they're just not capable of cleaning drains. But cleaning the drain will save you thousands and thousands of dollars, especially over replacement. There's no reason to replace a drain if it can be cleaned. We're actually cleaning a channel drain, and it ties into the downspout drain. That's why we were out at the street. We also clean it from the channel drain out to the street as well. And these things can be done. They're not that costly to do. Before you go have that line dug up and replaced, ask your contractor if he can clean the line, because that is the best way to find out what's going on underground. And if you're doing it yourself, the DIY, this machine can be rented from most good tool rental places across the country. If you watch some more of this video, you'll see that we've cleaned the line and we found the problem here. The problem is not that they need a whole new drain, but rather they need a small repair. By cleaning this drain, we were able to find that there is a broken piece of pipe, and it was caused from the cable company who came in running new cable, and they cut this pipe, collapsed it, crushed it, whatever. But the problem was not that they needed a whole new line, just a small repair. Whether you're using PVC or whether you're using corrugated, the problems are the same. When you have a broken section of pipe, why replace the whole line when you can simply make a small repair just like this? I mean, this took us about 15 minutes. Clean the line, find the problem, dig it up, make the repair. It really is that simple. Like I said, I know that we post a lot of videos on how to clean and maintain the French drain, the downspout drain, channel drain, all these underground drains, the rainwater drainage system. But it's because you can save so much money. There's no reason to replace a line if it can be cleaned and or repaired.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
Okay, let's take a look at the cleaning cost on this job. The first line we cleaned was $377.50, and each additional line is $100. So we cleaned 2 lines, so that total cleaning cost is $477.50. We also made 1 small repair. That cost was $120. So we have a total invoice of $597.50. But look at what it would have cost to replace the line. So that total savings is almost $4,000. That's a lot of money that we saved this customer. And if you did it yourself, you'd have saved even more. Nearly all of the jobs that we show you here on YouTube, you're able to do yourself. And you can definitely save so much money. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to learn more about rainwater drainage.